with a special guest, my dad.
What's going on?
You need to help me build this ginormous cage for birds.
Okay.
And for those people.
You know how to build it?
No.
I don't know how to build it.
Well, figure it out.
All right, let's figure it out together.
Today, my dad is going to help me build an extra large cage for me and my brother's birds. So, gotta open the box.
Ready? You get started?
Yes.
Okay.
I imagine this is the tray.
It looks like it. Hold a lot of...
So, these are the purchased. Just put this here.
Doors. Okay, so we've got everything laid out. And our very short instructions, so this should be rather quick, I would imagine. But looking at this, it's going to tell me that it's not. But we'll figure it out.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, first thing we're going to do is add these wheels. I've got one on there.
Which are called casters.
They're called that.
Is that how it goes?
It's going to go here.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes more sense.
Oh, that took some time.
Having trouble?
Yeah, see these pieces.
There we go. Wow. Just latch it down and screw the screws. Just gotta like put the...
Okay, so there's little hooks here and these little bars from this piece go into here. And then the screws secure it here. So at this point, the screw is not lining up correctly. So this has got to come up a little bit.
Go all the way.
It's going.
So it definitely takes a little work to get it lined up.
Do it.
This is really snug in here, so it's kind of difficult to move it up and down. Just do one corner at a time should help.
Just do it.
Okay.
Wait, are you sure you're... Okay.
So there's some grooves here,
What are grooves?
which this will basically just kind of slide down in.
Oh, you
The only problem
sleeves?
is on the side here, this groove
Oh yeah, I saw
is
that.
a little bent out of shape here.
That
The
looks...
wrench is too big.
Wrench does...
Okay, so our little groove is a little bit bent out of shape here. So you're just sliding it down the grooves, and then there's two little prongs here. Slide right in there. Boom.
With a little help.
Right there.
Oh boy.
Watch that one there.
Uh,
Alright. All the way down.
oh wait,
And
it's
fix the little throat. You got it. Come all the way up.
There we go.
Okay, so we did that.
And the roof, I think.
Two top panels are going to be these two right here. They're going to be these two here. That one and that one. This goes on the inside. There's a groove here, or like a lip that goes on the inside, and then you'll see two holes here where they'll go and sit on this.
Oh, I did not notice that.
And then there's 4 screws, 2 on each side that will screw in. So they were kind enough to put one in here for us. It's actually going to be where the tray will rest. So there's an opening here, and then the tray will kind of slide onto it. So we'll just place these two.
Right. There.
Can I get in?
Nope. This one's too far out, this one's too far in.
Oh, they're good there.
Magical.
Open that.
There we go.
Let's see if we can get...
Bang, bang, bang. Bang.
Okay. Takes a little bit of maneuvering, but
Not too bad.
once you get it on, definitely feels nice and solid. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So we did that side, so let's flip this around and do the same thing. This is where the trays are going to slide in. This is the groove that's going to hold the tray. So we just put this here. And once again, you do that side. Oh, you got it right. Go that way. You see play area.
Play area, yay!
So this is going to go here like this, and this will go here. Okay, according to the picture.
I've never had
Don't
to
think
go
it
on
really
my
matters.
toes to look above something.
Here
for so
and
many years.
here. And this is probably going to be the same deal here.
Let me assist you for once.
So it looks like it's just too far apart. So if you just kind of squeeze in a little bit, just a little bit. And that was actually too much. It'll go that way. So it'll go like that. So opposite end. All right, go on the other side and put yours on there.
But you still have
I'll hold this.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do it all at once and then we'll move to the other side.
Meow.
Hold that screw right there. Push it in.
Having 3 hands is nice, isn't it? I think. Okay. Hello, fellow climbers.
Hello, buddy.
Hello. I have a bird.
You got it tight?
Think. Yeah, there we go.
All right, tighten these real quick. So there's 2 holes on the side here the ladder will clip into.
Mm-hmm.
Unless, I don't know if you can see from way off camera here. This thing's really tall. These 2 little holes, the ladder will clip into there, so that needs to go on the inside, kind of facing the other bar. So I'm just flipping it around and doing it the right way. Okay, now we're in business.
Hello. Hello, fellow slimers. By the way, this is our director.
Yeah, tough one.
Yeah. Bye, fellow slimers.
Okay, so there's 2 different ladders that you use. One for the top and one for the bottom. The one for the top has 2 hooks here that hook into our holes that we put in backwards. Now we're good. And then hook in on the top. Somehow.
Oof.
There it goes.
Oof.
Oh, grab those instructions there for anybody. Up at the top. Right there. One for the top.
The bottom.
somewhere. There. And then the crate goes here. You gotta watch out for this little latch here.
So much bigger than expected.
One here. Watch your fingers.
Oh yes, fingers are important.
One for you on that side. And
What?
all right. 2 food bowls, water bowls. We're done.
Yay!
And guess what? Even though the food bowls are way up here, no worries, because we have a seed catcher way down here that I'm sure will catch every one of them before they fall on the floor.
Yeah!
Right.
Yep.
Anyhow, this is the bird mansion.
Yes. It will catch all the seeds from this height.
Definitely. I'm sure none of them will end up on the floor.
Pretty much.
Okay, wait a minute. Why is this?
Start from the beginning, you were never recording.
Thanks.
You mean the whole entire time?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wait. What happened when I did that once?
So this is the finished bird mansion that took us 1 hour and 25 minutes to build. But thanks to this video, it would take you much less time.
Yeah.
So we have the seed catcher here. Definitely will catch all the bird seeds from this house.
Wait. You mean no bird seeds will end up on the floor?
0.
What?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you definitely need to buy this thing, because I'm sure this will catch all of them.
Alright, so this is the final product of this giant mansion of a cage. Our parakeets seem to love it. We like it. It's big. It's great. So, me and my dad helped build it together. And it was
So we hope that you subscribe and like our video. So